I slept terrible. I honestly, no sleep last night at all. That I was able to watch this all night. And I want you guys to know there's a possibility this could happen today. 7 hours to go. 7 hours to go. Three, two, one, outbid. So all day we've been trying to determine what we're gonna do. Like, do we unpack? Can we find a new boat? And we have been looking up at the boats. We're still asking ourselves that question, like, what now, since life had changed? Well, a couple hours ago, she went back up, 2350. So we're gonna watch it, see if we can't get her. And I am so nervous, shaking, heart's pounding. Big moment because the last time was the last time. So the plan is here to start bidding. I'm so nervous. Falcor's handling it fine.
Falcor doesn't know. Do you want to live on a boat? Oh, I see it.
Not the highest bidder, try again.
Okay, try again.
Okay, increase my bid to what?
Someone's doing the same thing right now.
Okay.
Okay, try again. Try again. Oh my god. Okay, keep going.
30 seconds.
What's the max bid you're putting in? There's still...
Because he could try at the last second. At 51 right now.
He still has the highest bid.
I know. No, I do.
No.
I do.
You?
Yeah, you're the highest bidder.
Do you
10
have
seconds.
29 stars?
Yeah. Here we go, $51. Don't outbid me. Come on. Yes!
Do you have it?
Yeah, it's us.
God.
Yeah.
$60.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay. We own a boat. We did it. Okay. Contact us out.
Oh God.
Here we go. We just bought our house. Here we go.
It's official. We just sent the money to Boat Angel.
And they're gonna send us everything we need for the boat. So we should be packing up next time.